Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs, but the real story? AI is replacing busy work, and these five automations are saving over 120 hours per employee per year. And here's the thing, none of them replaces workers, they just stop wasting their time. These aren't futuristic experiments, these are running in real enterprises right now. Let me show you the five that are giving people their time back, and I'll break down exactly how much each one saves. Number one, meeting intelligence. Think about how many meetings you sit through in a week. Now think about how much time you spend writing up notes, tracking action items, and chasing people for updates. AI now sits in those meetings silently. It transcribes everything, identifies decisions, extracts action items, and sends them to the right people automatically. No more can someone send the recap, no more forgotten follow ups. Average time saved about 25 hours per employee per year just from meetings. But that's just the beginning. Number two, intelligent email management. The average professional spends over 3 hours a day on email. Most of it is sorting, prioritizing, and writing routine responses. AI now handles the triage. It flags what's urgent, categorizes everything else, and even drafts responses to common requests. You review and send. That's roughly 30 hours per employee per year. And people actually respond to important emails faster because they are not buried in noise. Number three is a big one, document data extraction. Invoices, contracts, forms, reports. So much of enterprise work is just pulling data from one document and putting it into another system. AI reads these documents now. It extracts the relevant fields, validates the data, and populates your systems automatically. Finance teams, procurement, HR, legal, anyone who deals with paperwork, they are getting about 35 hours back per person per year. Now, here's one that surprises people. Number four, automated report generation. How many reports does your organization produce that look basically the same every week or month? Status updates, performance dashboards, compliance reports. AI pulls data from multiple sources, formats it consistently, and generates the report. It even writes the narrative summaries. You review it, maybe tweak a few things, done. That's another 20 hours per employee who deals with routine reporting. And number five, this one's massive, intelligent scheduling and coordination. This sounds simple, but the time drain is real. Finding meeting times across multiple calendars, rescheduling when conflicts pop up, booking rooms, sending reminders. AI assistants now handle all of this. They negotiate times, manage conflicts, and coordinate logistics across teams automatically. It's only 15 hours per year, but here's why it matters more than the number suggests. It eliminates the constant context switching, the back and forth emails, the mental load of coordination. That's harder to measure, but everyone who uses it feels the difference. Add it up, 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 20 plus 15. That's over 125 hours per employee per year, 3 full work weeks. And notice what all five have in common. They don't replace the employee, they replace the busy work, the stuff that drains energy, wastes talent, and keeps people from doing the work that actually matters. So here's my question. If you could give every person on your team 3 extra weeks a year, which of these five would you start with? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious which one resonates most.